guys, and welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing a package from Uniqlo. This is going to be my outfit for our upcoming acquaintance party this August 30, 2024, and this is a blazer. I ordered this because it is not available in SM Abutuan. It is only available in Luzon, and fortunately it is on sale because the regular price for this blazer would be 3,500, and luckily I got it for 2,000 pesos. Isn't that great? I just have to use a puller because it has sharp edges rather. Thank you so much, Ninja One, for delivering it sooner. No, not sooner. For delivering it too early and not late, because it's gonna be a problem if you are gonna be delivering it so late. I'm just gonna be lobanizing this one. I'm just gonna tear it down. Only the sort of thing. Oh. Guys, if you are new to ordering online in Uniqlo, if you have Uniqlo app, they offer you some vouchers if you buy on their physical stores. Every time you buy on their physical store, you wanna scan the application or the barcode that is in the application so that you would gain a point or points from the clothes that you buy. It will just accumulate after how many months, and the Uniqlo app would automatically give you some voucher that you can use when you are going to buy or purchase products online. I'm sorry for my hoarse voice because right at the moment I'm having a cold. I'm not feeling well. We're just gonna do it like that. This is gonna be the blazer, and then the literature. Everything that is written is called literature. This is the receipt. Receipt. What is this? Miracle airsense. Jacket airsense. Is it a jacket or a blazer? Yeah, it's a jacket. And I'm gonna be pairing it with their pants also, which I bought from the physical store. I'm not sure if it's going to fit me. It's small. I think it's huge for me. It doesn't look that makapal, but it is forgivable. Sure. For the price point of, yes, it's not gonna give you like mainit na feelings when you wear this, because it's from the variant of airsense, and it means that it is not going to isolate heat from your body. It's made from 100% cotton. I'm not sure if it's 100%. I look like a CEO. I hope one I'm gonna be a CEO. Chares! Ano isang binili ko? Ayan. Nadamage na. This is probably the pair of my blazer. What happened to the... this paper bag? bought it at the physical store, and it's also in the color of navy. Yes. Look at that. I wanted to make you wanna see. Huh? It looks when I stand up. Yes. So that's it for today's video. Babosh.